Good evening, everyone. The problem statement we have chosen is asset flow. Asset flow is a platform that completely digitalizes how an organization manages its assets, making sure that all the asset exchanges, who has what, is completely digitalized, and an accurate record of each and everything is maintained by the company in case something gets misplaced. For this, we have implemented a role based access control, wherein the first part is the admin page. As soon as we sign in, immediately the admin has access to many things which he or she may require to immediately get a quick view of what is happening in the organization at the current moment. From the admin page or dashboard itself, he can immediately set up a new asset, naming it Dell G17, select a category, a serial number, and a location. Using OSM, we have managed to make sure that the location is taken accurately and the user or the admin has the chance to accurately select his or her location. He can set the date and the asset cost, which I say is 40, and then register the asset. As soon as the asset is registered, we will get a asset registered Toastify notification. Moving on, we also have a scan QR option where if I mention the asset ID, let's say AF0010 and submit, I can see that this asset is mentioned over here. Now, moving on to the maintenance part, the admin has option to either approve or reject the tickets which have been raised by the users or the employees. If I approve this, it immediately goes to the approve column and this icon or this notification is coming. And if I reject it, I have to give a specific region. Now, moving on, I can also drag and drop the tickets from one column to another. And in the end, eventually, when it is resolved, it turns into green. I can also go to allocations and see all the allocations that have been done or the transfer requests. This is the financial reports and logs where the admin can see all the financial data and see all the actions that have been performed in the organization today. And moving on, this is the user management where admin can set up new departments, like for example, textile, save, and the new department has been added. He can also set up new asset categories, like for example, furniture, and just save it, and it has also been added. And also change the employee role, department head, and it has been saved successfully. Moving on to audits, the admin can also create new audits, like for example, audit named second. And when he clicks on view details, he can choose a specific asset, mention that it is damaged, add a specific auditor, and record the verification. We also have an AI asset advisor where the admin can chat with the chatbot and automate his workflow entirely. This is the second part where an employee can sign in and see in his dashboard basically the same things that the admin can, but he won't have access to the similar things that admin has access to. He can see all the assets in the company as of this moment with pagination included. Uh, he can raise his own tickets as well, set the priority to critical, not working, and submit the request. And now this request would be approved or rejected by the admin. Now for allocations, the employee cannot allocate anything because he doesn't have the access to it. But if he ever gets an transfer request, he can then see that transfer request here. And as far as the schedule, he can also create a new schedule. Like let's say he wants this room from 13th July, 7:32 to 13th July, 8 or 6:32. Purpose, conference call, and he can confirm booking. So as you can see, the new reservation has been added here, and we can see the new reservation over here. The employee also has access to the AI assistant where he or she can then interact with the AI assistant to ease their workflow. This is our overall end-to-end project. Upon further selection, we have also planned to increase the scope of this AI assistant to make sure that it can also, it can uh, further upon selection, I think we can improve the AI assistant to automate even more tasks so that employees or admin can click photo of an asset and we can determine how much maintenance the asset requires or what is the level of damage that the asset has. This is our overall end-to-end project. Thank you.